Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Brevo, Sendinblue, step by step clearly. Visit the Brevo website at brevo.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements displayed. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Read the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create My Account button to proceed. Open your email inbox and look for a verification email from Brevo. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Brevo website. Log in using your new credentials, entering your email and password. You may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in the necessary information such as your name and company details. Choose your plan preferences based on your needs. Enter your payment information if required for the selected plan. Finally, click Complete Registration to finalize your account setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.